I went back. I'm coming to share it to the group, then we can start again. Let's solve some questions on the trigonometry. Yes. Oh, no problem. No problem. After that, I'll just let's go because time is going. So you're coming to solve questions. You are done with this one. So this is very simple. I think all of them, all of you and them. So with this side, we are done with you and them. So with this side, we are done with this one. I already told you that if you have an angle that is less than 180, you deduct it from 180. Then you check where it's, let me say, it locates. So if this is um 120, deduct it from this one. Then you find it here. So with this one that I've taught you, if you don't understand, let me know so that I will teach it again. Okay. So let's move on to another session. So we are coming to solve more questions on this one. So here's the case. Say that if you have okay, this is a very simple question. Okay. So then I tried this question. Let me see. So if please all of you are trying. Um, so if 0 less than theta less than or equal to 90 degrees and tan theta equals 3 out of 4 and tan theta equals 3 out of 4, then find sine of theta and then cos of theta. Sine of theta and then cos of theta. Can you try? Or should I explain it first? Okay, so this question is really simple. When you get a question like that, it says that if theta, this is how to read this thing. Look at here. So you start in the middle. If theta is equal to, no, if theta is greater than, so when the sign open its mouth, it means what? Greater than. When it closes the mouth, it means less than. So if theta is what? Greater than or equal to 0, and also, this is what? Less than. So less than or greater. So this is greater than or equal to, and this is less than. It means that the angle falls within 0 to 90 degrees. So it means the angle is what? Acute angle. Have you seen? So when you start, you have tan theta to be equal to 3 out of 4. You have to draw right angle triangle. When you draw right angle triangle, then you locate theta anywhere else. So you can use here as theta. Now you know that the tan theta is equal to opposite out of hypotenuse, right? So you find opposite. Where is the opposite of this angle? This side, right? So it's 3 out of a tan is equal to opposite out of adjacent rather. From SOHCAHTOA, please, from SOHCAHTOA. So from SOHCAHTOA, you so from SOHCAHTOA you realize that tan theta is equal to opposite out of adjacent. So the opposite, the numerator will be the opposite, and then the adjacent will be this one, which is the 4. Then after that, you use Pythagoras theorem to find the hypotenuse. You use Pythagoras theorem to find the hypotenuse. So to find the hypotenuse here, it means that h square is equal to the 3 square plus 4 square, which means that you're going to have h to be equal to root of. This way you can enter it into your calculator. You'll be having h is equal to root of the whole thing, which is root of 3 square plus 4 square. And from Pythagoras triplets too, we realize that it will give us 5. That is 3, 4, 5. So that is Pythagoras triplet. You can open your textbooks and you learn some Pythagoras triplets in there. That it will be helpful for you to solve questions easily. It will be really helpful for you to solve questions easily. Please let me know if you understand what I've solved here. Yeah, this is very simple question. So first of all, when they give you the question, you should just study the range of the angle first. So here you have theta to be greater than or equal to 0, and then less than or equal to what? 90, which means it's an acute angle. So after using this one to get this side, that is 5. So you get hypotenuse to be 5. And you're asked to find sine what? You're asked to find sine what? Sine theta. So we are going to have we have the everything already. So sine theta here is going to get us the opposite of it, which is the 3 out of the what? The hypotenuse that we have already found. So we have it to be 3 out of 5. And then we also asked to find cos theta, right? So cos theta is going to be from this angle. The cos theta means that it's what? Adjacent out of hypotenuse, which is the 4 out of the 5. So 4 out of 5. So this question is very simple. That's all. It usually comes in objectives. It usually comes in objective test. Let's try another question. Let's try another question. Let's try another question. So with this question too, okay. So we have everything already. Everything, we got the same thing as we've done here. Okay, so if cos p, or let me give you a similar one. Let me give you a similar one and see. Okay, so similar one. If 0 less than theta, less than or equal to theta, less than or equal to 90 degrees, and sine 60, if sine 60 is equal to root 3, and sine theta is equal to 3 out of 2. And sine theta is equal to 3 out of 2. So find cos theta and tan theta. And let me see. So you have this question. Find cos theta and tan theta. Let me see. Please try as much as possible to solve the question yourself. And then send the answer in the comment section. Let me know whether you got the right answer or you did not. So the question is if this is, and you have this to find, so you are finding cos theta and then tan theta from this. Fast. Please let me know your answer in the comment section. Please let me know your answer in the comment section. I'm waiting. Fast. Please let me know your answer in the comment section. I'm waiting. Fast.
Done.
Dinah is yes. Dinah is done. The left with you. Hurry up. Okay.
What is this? I have yet to be one.
Where?
The other side, this side.
So you have there to be. You were given two. This one. Meters here. Okay. You have here to be one. But after trying now, boom, either on count. Present it to her. You have to write it somewhere here. I just try to bring the one. No shade. Hurry up. Please, your presentation matters. Your presentation matters a lot. Your presentation matters a lot. So please let me know your answer in the comment section. After getting the answer, let me know.
I'm done.
You're done? Where is it? So you got here to be 1, then so it's root of all of this. So here we get 3. 3 minus this one is 2. Here we get 4. Nothing. So you have this is how you get. You have hypotenuse square equals adjacent square plus opposite square. So you have the hypotenuse to be 2 square. 2 square. 2 square show. 2 square equals root 3 all square plus. You have 4 minus 3, right? You got 4 minus 3 equals the other side will be opposite. Okay. So you got 1. After getting 1, so it means after getting 1, then you use it to find. So you get this side. This is how to solve it. You draw the triangle as I told you. So you draw the triangle as I told you. You will draw your triangle. After drawing your triangle, then come in. So you draw the triangle. After drawing the triangle, then you just assign the value. This is sine of theta. So here is going to be theta. So sine theta is here, is opposite out of hypotenuse. So which means that the root 3 is the opposite. And then the hypotenuse is 2. So after this one, then you solve it to get this side by using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem states that hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. So I'm going to have here to be the 2 square is equal to what? 2 square is going to be what? Is equal to root 3 all square plus a square. So you're looking for a. So you're looking for it. So it means that a square is equal to 2 square minus root 3 all square. I just exchange it. This one will come in. I just exchange it. So you're going to have a square. You're going to have a to be equal to. Let me erase this side. You're going to have a to be equal to root of 4 minus 3. And then root 1 is also equal to 1. So a is going to be 1. After getting 1 to be at this side, then you use it to find the sine theta and then the cos theta. No, they give us sine theta, right?
And cos.
They give us which one?
Cos and tan.
You're looking for cos and tan. Okay, so you use it to find the cos and tan, right? So cos theta here is equal to cos theta here is equal to root 3 out of what? I mean the cos is equal to opposite out of the adjacent out of the hypotenuse from SOHCAHTOA. So which means that cos theta is going to be 1 out of 2, right?
Yeah.
And then tan theta, right? So tan theta here is going to be root 3 out of 1, which is the same as root 3. Yes, so this is the answer that you are going to get. Is that what you get? Okay. Let's try another question. Fast. Let's try another question. Please let me know your answers in the comment section. You are not contributing at all. Okay. So and this is the question. If cos P equals 3 out of, if cos P, please hurry up. If cos P equals 3 out of 5, if cos P equals 3 out of 5, where, so this one today, they've given you the condition, where theta, where 0 degrees, so where 0 degrees, where 0 degrees is less than P and also less than 90 degrees. And you see, the way I'm reading it this way, I'm writing, that's why I'm reading it this way. But if you want to understand it well, you have to start from the middle, read to the left side, after that you read to the right side. So with this one, when the sign has opened 8 mouth, it means that, so this one you see that it has opened, it's like this. It has opened, so that is greater than. When you are coming this way, it has opened, so it's greater than. When you are going this way, it has closed, so it's less than. So P is what? Greater than 0 degrees and also what? Less than what? 90 degrees. Which means P angle is acute angle. Which means it's an acute angle. Which means it's an acute angle.
It has that words.
So you are finding, he said the question says that find the value of tan P out of cos P. Find the value of tan P over cos P. Tan P out of cos P. This is a minute question, 1 minute question. Hurry up. This is the minute question. Please hurry up and let me know your answer in the comment section. Hurry up. I hope you can see the question clearly. Then you're keeping longer. Yes, hurry up. Tan P. You are finding tan P. Hurry up with it. 3 out of 5. Then you bring this division sign. You don't have to bring another bar. You'll get confused. So just bring this division sign divided by what cos P, which is 3 out of 5. Then inverse of them, you get them to be 4 out of 3 times what? 5 out of 3. Having 20 out of what? 9. So that's the answer that you're going to get. Is that what you got? You get the same thing. So am I the one who is?
No, I didn't solve it.
You didn't, so you have to
I
solve
didn't
it.
know how to do it.
You didn't know how to do what? Do you have a calculator there? You understand now? Okay, so let's try another example. Let's try another example. Fast. And sit down, let's try another example. Yeah. Let's do that thing again. So let's try another example. Okay. So the answer, final answer is going to be 20 out of 9. So after I have to do correction to that. Now, if cos P equals 24 out of 25, cos P equals 24 out of 25, where, so if cos P equals 24 out of 25, where P is, so where, this is how I'm going to write, or let me say where 0 is less than or equal to P, and then less than or equal to 90. So which means that it's an acute angle. So sorry, this is less than, there's no bar on it, so so the main question is find sine P, find sine P. 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 Fast. So you are finding sine P here. So this is a minute question, or even you can use 30 seconds to solve it. If you already know your Pythagoras triplet, you should be able to do it fast. So you draw the triangle, you have 25, you have 24 at one side, then you find sine P. That's all. I think the other side is going to be 7 also. 7, right? 7, 24. I know them. You have to learn the Pythagoras triplet. Hey, I'm watching Pythagoras triplet. May I occasion only Pythagoras triplet.
Yes, His Majesty.
Okay, so that's this, right? You are not done, you are finding sine P. Okay, so it should be 7 out of 25, correct? 7 out of 25. Let's move on to another question right now. So please, if you got 7 out of 25, you are correct. Another question right now. If theta, find theta. So listen to this question. Find theta. You are finding theta. If cos theta plus 60 equals 0.8 equals 0.8, sorry, 0.0872. Yeah, do it and let me see. Try your hands. At least try. Trying is not harm. Where 0, so where this is, can you see it? 0. So this is 0.0872. Where is it? Yeah, so where 0 degrees is less than theta and also less than 90 degrees. Please hurry up, find it, let me see. Try your hands on it, let me see. Try your hands on this one. Try your hands on this one, try. Let me write this one. I think I have to be writing big. You can't see. Right. Then you are sleeping. I'm gonna try, let me see. Okay, if you get it correct, I will try your hands on it. Please, all of you try and let me see. It's simple, so it's simple. This is not difficult. Just think outside the box. When you get it correct, I will give you
59.9.
59. Oh no. Okay, when you get it correct, I'll get you 10 CDs, free 10 CDs. 10 CDs is too small.
No, it's not money.
You don't want money? Someone is saying that it doesn't have money. When you get it correct and you send me the answer in the comment section, I will send you 5 CDs. Okay, so I think it's time. Let me teach you how you can find this one easily. So with this one, you see that when you say inverse of something, it means 1 out of something, right? 1 out of something. So here is the case that you have cos theta plus 60 to be equal to 0.0872, right? So this is what you will do. You will find inverse of this one. In other words, we are dividing both sides by the cos. When you are dividing both sides, this cos will move this cos, and then this cos means inverse of this one, right? So here, this division means that it's the same as cos inverse of this. So we'll be having. Let me write it here. We'll be having theta plus 60 to be equal to cos inverse of 0.0872. Then after this one, you are looking for theta. So this one will go this side. We'll be having theta to be equal to cos inverse of 0.0872 minus 60. That's going to be the answer. So what's the answer? So
It's math error.
Math error, let me check. Maybe you didn't enter it well. So you enter cos inverse of. Hey, your calculator is off. It's off, mommy. Your calculator is off. Take it from me.
I try not to catch on.
Pardon?
I learned someone now. Like it's
Okay.
I bought you, so call me one.
So cos inverse of 0.0872. It's not matter. Check it out. What's the answer? What's the answer there? What's the answer there? Say it.
0.4.
They can't hear you.
0.4.
Yeah, so you're having cos inverse of 0.872 is the same as pardon?
84.
Yeah, so it will be 84.9 something there. Let's run it so that it will be 85. So it will be 85 minus 60. So we'll be having theta to be 25 degrees. Approximately 25 degrees. That's going to be our answer. That's going to be our answer. Do you understand? So when you get similar questions like this, how are you supposed to solve it? Okay, so let's try another question here. Let me give you another question and let's try. Let's try the first part. So if sine x equals 1 out of q, if sine x equals 1 out of q, if sine x equals 1 out of q, then find tan x and cos x. Find tan x. Find tan x and then cos x. Yes, find. Try and let me see. That's right. Please try your hands on this one too. Try your hands on this one. Fast five. So use what you have been given to find it. So this one, whenever they give you a question, use what you have been given to find it. You have been given to find it. Use what you have been given to find it, and let me see. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Diana is thinking. She's thinking. She's thinking. Use what you have been given. You were closer to the answer, but that's not the exact answer. You were closer to the answer, but that's not the exact answer. Okay, so let me explain it for you to understand. It's simple, but despite that, they give you letters. They give you variables. So let's solve it out here. So this is the question. This is how to solve it. This is here where the light reflects. On this side.
That's too big.
That's too far. Okay, no problem. So let's start. It's when you have a question like this, so you draw the right angle triangle as you always do. You draw the right angle triangle. Okay. So you draw the right angle triangle as you always do. This is the right angle triangle. Then you use, this is sine x. So let's put x to be here. Sine x is equal to opposite out of hypotenuse, which is the 1 will be here. The hypotenuse will be q. The hypotenuse is going to be q. So 1 will be here and then the q will be here. After having this one, then you find this side. You find this side. How are you going to get this side? So let's use variable to represent. Here is A, here is B, here is C. So you're going to get so you have you know that AC squared, this line AC squared is equal to AB, or let me go straight to the point. we are finding this, we are finding BC. So BC, line BC square is equal to line AC square minus line AB square. Minus line AB square. So when you have this one like this, you are looking for this one. So let's substitute the values there. AC is Q square. AC is Q. Then the square is there. Minus AB. Where is AB? AB is 1. The square is there. So realize that for us to get BC, line BC, unless we root both sides, we square root both sides. I hope you've written the question, right? So unless you square root both sides, so we are going to have BC to be root of Q square minus 1. Root of Q square minus 1.
Don't you square the 1?
Pardon? No, the 1 square is 1. So the same thing. So after that, then you bring it here. So you'll be having Q square minus 1. Have you seen?
I thought that this all cancel out.
Which one?
This one.
No, it can't cancel unless the whole thing have a square. I mean.
But it was having a square, so we didn't bring it.
Yes, but you see, let me tell you something. This is difference of two squares, right? Yeah, this is difference of two squares. Do you know that? So this, if you have to express this, so this is going to get us this way. We are going to have Q square minus 1. Sorry, Q minus 1, then Q plus 1. I hope you remember this is difference of two squares. So we can't square it unless if it's only this way. If we have it like this. If you have it like this, Q minus 1 all square. That one we can square it. Everything we can. But then no, we can't. Since the question is we can't. It's not the same thing. You don't understand? Yeah. So we have in BC. Line BC is going to get. It's going to be root of this one. So use it to represent it. And after that, you come back to your question. What did the question ask us to find? Hurry up.
Tan x and cos x.
Tan x and cos x. So this is what you do. When you come here, what is tan x? What is tan x?
Tan.
So tan x, you know tan x should be opposite out of adjacent, right? So it's going 1 out of root of Q square minus 1. So that is going to be our answer. That's all. So just by what you have to do is that you just have to take your time and then do it. You don't have to rush, and then you don't have to be thinking that it's a variable so you can't solve it. You can solve all questions. And another one too is that we also ask to find cos x, right? So for cos x, for instance, cos x is going to be what? It's going to be what? The opposite out of the adjacent out of hypotenuse, which is root of Q square. Root of Q square minus 1 all over what? Q, right? So this is going to be our answer for both. This is 1, this is 1. You can rationalize this one. You can rationalize this one, right? By multiplying both sides by the denominator. That's all. That's all. Please, I hope it's clear. I hope the explanation is clear. Okay, then let's try another question. It's 12. Let's try. Let me teach you this one. There you go. Okay, yeah. How to solve these questions. There you go. Fast. Yes, now. Fast. Yes, down. Someone is tired. Okay. So this is how to solve these kinds of questions in trigonometry. This is how to solve these kinds of questions under trigonometry. And let's move on to these questions, practical questions like this. So practical questions, I mean the letter problem. I already taught you how to solve the right angle triangle. I mean, right, that one, right? So I'm moving straight to that one. This one you can do it. Okay, try this one and let me see. Try this one. You have here 5, you have here 3, you have here to be 5, you have here to be 3. Find theta. Find theta. Yeah, hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
It's 4.
Pardon?
4.
Theta, you are finding the angle.
So which one should I? Okay, it's okay. I'll do it.
So you have here, I want you to see what you understand. You have here to be 5, we have here to be 3. So find the angle here. The angle here. Fast. Then we move on to practical problems. Then we finish the day.
$53.
53 degrees. Good. That's all. Okay, so questions like this, you can be given questions like this. So try your hands on this one, let me see. You can be given question like this. Here is 50 degrees. And then here is 30 degrees. Here is 30, and then that place 50. This is 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. Here is Q, S, R, Q, S, R, P. Yes, so this is the question. And you're asked to find, so in the diagram below, find line QS. Where is QS? So find this one. You are finding this side. Do it and let me see. Try your hands and let me see. Hey, Abba. Can we do it and let me see? Hurry up. Try. Try your hands. Please try your hands on this question. Let me see. We are finding QS. You are finding this side. Line QS.
It's 4.
How did you get 4?
That one is long. So I divided it by 2 here.
Which side is long?
Yeah.
No. You can't be doing magic here. You have to talk with this one. You can't be doing magic here. Please find X and let me see. So this one is also simple. If you are trying, you can pause it and then after that you watch how I solved it too, so that you won't be distracted. So with this side, you are finding this side. You have the angle here. There are 2 triangles. So what you have to do is that you can use this one. You see this is 2 triangles. You can use the angle here and then the side here to get the side here. I listen. Because when you get the side here is also the same as the side in this triangle. I mean, they have the same sides. Do you understand? You are finding here. But one thing is that we don't have enough data for us to find this triangle. So you have to use this triangle. In triangle A, let me use A to represent here. Triangle A and triangle B. In triangle A, we don't have enough, we have only one angle, which is 50 degrees. So what you have to do is that you have to use this triangle to find one line of it, because when you get this side, it's the same as this side, so that you get enough lines to find this angle. To find this line. With this triangle, for instance, this is 8 centimeters. This is 30 degrees. From this one, how can you find this side? The opposite. You have the hypotenuse. You have an angle. How can you find the opposite? Which ratio should you use? Which ratio should you use?
We use anything.
Wait, see. We have an angle. We have theta. We have hypotenuse. So from SOHCAHTOA, so in this question from SOHCAHTOA, we use sine because you are looking for what? The opposite. So we are looking for the opposite. So here is the case as you use sine, so it will be sine theta, which is sine 30, equals the opposite. You don't have the opposite is PS, so equals line PS out of what?
8.
Out of 8. So you get line PS.
You give me 4.
You give me 4. Yeah, so it should be half of this one because this one is half. So it will be 8 times half. This sine this one, okay, 8 times sine 30. Sine 30 is already half, so it's 4. You get PS to be 4. I mean this side. So this side is going to, you're going to have 4 here. After getting this side to be 4, then you ask yourself, how can you find this side? So after asking yourself that, what do you have? You have 50 degrees, one angle. So you have one angle, which is theta, to be 50 degrees. And then you also have one side, which is the opposite to the other side, which is the opposite to the angle. So you have the opposite, you have O. And you are looking for what? Adjacent. So you're looking for adjacent. You have O, you have theta. What should you use? Tan. Because tan is equal to opposite out of what? Adjacent. 9. That's how you solve it. So you're going to have tan 50 to be equal to what? The opposite, which is 4, out of the adjacent, which is unknown, which is QS, line QS. So for us to get this one, you have to make QS the subject by multiplying through by QS to cancel it. So we'll be having line QS here and then another line QS here. Then times QS here. So this one will take off this one. It will be, so you'll be having from here, from what you have here, we'll be having line QS times tan 50 to be equal to 4. And we are looking for line QS. So we make line QS the subject. Line QS is equal to 4 out of tan 50. Someone may ask, how did you get 4 out of tan 50? It's multiplying, so we divide both sides by what? Tan 50 out of tan 50. Then do you have any question?
No.
So then you enter it into your calculator. That's all. That's all.
3.356.
That's all. Pardon?
3.356.
Yeah, so we'll be having line QS now is going to be 3.356. What's the unit? Do you have a unit? Centimeters. So you can run it to 2 decimal place. So which is the same as 3.35, so 3.36 centimeters. That's how you solve this question. Is that understandable? So let me give you another one to try. This one I solved it myself. Please, those online, you are not contributing at all. I want to see you solving some of these questions, whether you understand it or not. Then don't sleep. Hey, don't sleep. And so, okay, then I'll try this question. Let me see. Please, let's try this question. Okay, the same question. Then let me ask you to find something somewhere else. The same question. I want to look out. Okay, so this is a similar question. Try your hands on it and let me see. Yeah, try your hands on it. So this one you are finding you are finding QS, you are finding line QS, and after that you find line QP, and you also find line SR, Fast, 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 fast. Fast, 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 fast. Let's try our hands on it. Please let me know your answer in the comment section. Don't just be watching for fun. Don't just be watching for fun. This is 1 minute work. This is 1 minute work. Hurry up, hurry up. Let me know your answer in the comment section, okay? I'm sorry. Please let me know your answer in the comment section. And are you done? You have calculators. Use calculators so that you can be hurry, please. Hurry up with this one. This is very simple question. Then you keep it long.
Thank you.
You are keeping like you say thank you. Eh.
I'll call my mom. I'll call my mom.
Very rough.
Take it. Take.
The first one correct. First one. Soon I find the example. It's on man could I find though.
Oh, it's not.
But obviously I see your work. At us. Obviously I see your work, but man could I find. So you are using it to find. Like you can use it to find the QS. So I mean, what I have to be seeing is that I have to move the QS is equal to this.
I didn't see the
QP is equal to this. Okay, good. Fine. So please, your presentation matters. Your presentation matters a lot. You can send, oh, QS is this, then I'll say, okay, your answer is correct. Your answer is not correct. Your answer is correct. That's all. Laptop no body no. I don't know the movie so Oh, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Time is going, hurry up. Then please hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. What is QS?
QS
Mm. 7.2.
7.2.
Oh, what? QP.
That's a something.
Okay. Please, guys, hurry up, guys, hurry up. Someone is getting QS to be 7.2 here. So if you had 7.2, then you also comment below 7.2. Yes, the QP.
QP is 9 points.
Someone getting QP to be 9 point what?
37.
9.37, right? Okay, so 9.37. How about SR?
I'm coming.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. You can use calculator to get the answers fast, fast, fast. Like, guys, yeah. I haven't seen any answers here. Hurry up. Hello, guys, please hurry up. I want to turn into real.